Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here in YOUCANIC we have a 2018 Toyota RAV4 with a 2.5 motor, and we're going to go over how you would replace your downstream O2 sensor. So we went over the upstream O2 sensor, and now we follow this line down, which is your exhaust line here, and we can see we've got the downstream O2 sensor right back here. And so we're going to go over how you would replace that. And we have an electrical connector up there. You can see that gray connection. I'm going to try to undo that first to be able to get this O2 sensor undone. And we'll start with that. Oh, also, you'll want your car to be, you got to raise it up so you can get under it, but also have it supported with jack stands or blocks, and the tires chalked so the car won't roll away. So we were able to get the connection undone at the top there. Now, the wrench is a 22. Okay, so we got the wrench at 22. We're going to turn it counterclockwise. Okay, so we were able to get it loose. Just had to use a little bit of extra leverage. Just reach up in there. Spin those out and we'll get a new one to put in there. Okay, so we've got our new one. We're just gonna put that back up in the hole there. Okay, so we've got that hand tight, and now we're just gonna tighten it up with the wrench. There we go. Good and snug, tight, and now we just gotta reach up and get that electrical connection. Make sure that snaps into place. That looks good. That's how you install your downstream O2 sensor on your 2018 Toyota RAV4 with the 2.5 motor. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.